Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm at Anytime Fitness in North Madison, Connecticut. You were at Venmo or PayPal or Cash App or any of those things, sending in a donation, a tip, Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip may seem pretty obvious, and it might be how you practice daily, but it's to practice with mirrors. It's nice to have kind of wraparound mirrors or full length mirrors or full wall mirrors. Sometimes all we have is our changing mirror on the back of a door. Maybe you have a hand mirror you set up. It is what it is. Some people kind of fake the mirror, set up your tablet or your iPhone or something like that to be on video mode. It doesn't have to record, but just the video playback that you see functions as a mirror. I don't have a mirror in my school these days. I started in a school with mirrors across two walls, much like we see here, and I found a lot of pros and cons, and I consciously chose to go no mirrors for my school that I'm in now, Someday Farm in Killingworth, Connecticut. And again, recognizing that there's pros and cons, but I wanted to spend time without the cons that I had and with new pros. And so practicing in the mirror, there's a zillion things that you can learn from it, but if you don't do it, give it a try. If, of course, you normally practice with a mirror, try purposely opting for places without a mirror. Work on the proprioception rather than looking outside the self. But I find that there is innumerable opportunities for illumination and understanding and growth by using a mirror. So make a point of that when and where you can. Thank you very much. And remember, you're a mirror of your art. Thank you.
This QR code takes you to our link tree, which has all of our links, among them financial support links, which is certainly going to be very helpful. We appreciate your commenting, subscribing, linking, and going to Patreon.